Assalamualaikum and hi. This video are from group 7 with the title Rigor. So this is our group members. Introduction. In Mid-Standard Australia 2013, heat rigor is rigidity caused by heat. It is a combination of rapid glycolysis such as rapid pH fall and slow cooling. Heat rigor occurs when the temperature of the muscles rises above 35 degrees Celsius, causing a rapid depletion of ATP stores. When the ATP concentration falls to extremely low levels, the myosin heats bind irreversibly to actin, causing the contraction. Objective: first, to determine the physicochemical changes in chicken after exposed to the sunlight and placed in cold condition. Second, to describe the biochemical and physical changes occur during heat rigor. Materials and methodology. So, these are the materials that we use for this experiment. For the procedure, firstly, 2 fresh chicken were prepared and chicken skin were removed. Then, the weight of both chicken are recorded as initial weight. Next, the initial elbow distance were recorded for both chicken. Besides, the initial pH for right and left drumstick and breast for both chicken also were recorded. First chicken was immersed in cold water with controlled temperature 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Then, for the second chicken, it was put open under the sunlight. After 1 hour, the weight, elbow distance, pH of left and right drumsticks and breast for both chicken were recorded. And then, the steps 5, 6 and 7 were repeated for second, third, 4th hours for observation. Results. So the table shows the results for our experiment of heat rigor. Discussion. Under sunlight, the initial carcass for the sample under the sunlight was 1.34 kg compared to the others, which was after 2, 3 and 4 hours, the carcass weight become lost until 1.25 kg. The weight of a carcass can decrease when put under direct sunlight due to moisture loss caused by evaporation. Sunlight can cause the surface temperature of the carcass to increase, leading to the evaporation of moisture from the surface of the carcass. Based on the results for the elbow distance of the chicken carcass, it is because of during exposure under sunlight, actin become denatured and this reaction responsible for the toughening of meat fibers. As a result, protein fibers become very firm, shorten in length and the amount of liquid expelled increase. The muscle breast pH increased every hour during our experiment. The pH also increased along 4 hours but had a slack at the 3rd hour. In this situation, insufficient lactic acid was produced and the pH stayed high because of not enough glycogen available in the chicken carcass, which resulted in dark cutting. The surface of the chicken carcass left under the sun was dry after 1 hour and above. The chicken carcass was initially still white in color with a fresh surface. There was no rigor formed at the time because the carcass body was still in a warm temperature. After 1 hour, the color of the carcass was slightly brown. It was the same as the time increased. The color of the carcass was still brown but the color became darker. The darker meat color is caused by a higher value of pH. Under cold condition, its initial weight continued to increase due to the water absorption during the process. The water clinging to the surface of the carcass also can contribute to the increase in weight. The elbow distance was decreased due to the kinetic energy of molecules reduced when temperature drops, causing the meat protein to constrict and come closer together. This contraction is caused by the changes in the interactions between actin and myosin filaments. The increase of pH in muscle was due to the less lactic acid production, which resulted in a decrease in acidity. For the results of color, generally chilling can cause a blanching effect that can make the carcass appear slightly paler or lighter. In conclusion, by doing this experiment, both objectives are achieved. However, to get more accurate data, the experiment can be done in longer time with further research to avoid the errors during the experiment. In conclusion, heat rigor occurs depending on the temperature of the surroundings. Next, these are the references that we use for this lab demo. And lastly, thank you for watching.